Introducing the Rinnai Ventless natural gas heater, a powerful and efficient heating solution designed to bring warmth and comfort to your indoor spaces during the chilly seasons. This compact yet robust heater boasts smart control features, a comprehensive safety package, and ease of installation, making it an excellent choice for homeowners seeking reliable heating. Join us as we delve deeper into the features and benefits of this remarkable indoor heater. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Efficient heating. This heater proves to be a powerful and efficient heating solution for small to medium-sized indoor spaces. With its warm air outlet and strategically positioned bottom front louvers, it excels at evenly distributing warmth throughout the room. Whether it's a chilly bedroom, home office, or study room, this heater ensures that you stay comfortably warm during the colder seasons. Number 2. Smart control. One standout feature of this indoor heater is its programmable thermostat display, which provides precise temperature control. The digital adaptive control system adapts to your heating needs, allowing you to easily customize the temperature to your liking. This programmability not only enhances comfort, but also helps you save on energy costs. Additionally, the self-diagnostics feature simplifies maintenance, ensuring hassle-free operation. Number 3. Peace of mind. Safety is paramount when it comes to heating devices, and this heater doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with multiple safety features, including a flame failure device, overheat switch, oxygen depletion sensor, and tilt switch. These mechanisms automatically disable gas or power if the heater overheats, tips over, or gets extinguished. This comprehensive safety package provides peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Number 4. Professional installation. Recommended installing a gas heater can be a complex task, and Rinnai strongly recommends professional installation. The brand provides a Find a Rinnai Pro page on its website to help you locate a qualified technician in your area. Opting for professional installation ensures that your heater functions properly and safely. Number 5. Reliable heating solution. This heater delivers a reliable heating solution. Its ventless and ductless design simplifies installation, making it a versatile choice for various indoor settings. The cool-to-touch child-safe cabinet with a safety lock adds an extra layer of security, making it suitable for households with children. Additionally, the convection technology ensures quick and even heating while operating quietly, so you can enjoy a warm and cozy environment without disruptions. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 9.4 inches depth by 24 inches width by 19 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Efficient heating for small to medium-sized rooms. Smart control with a programmable thermostat. Comprehensive safety features for peace of mind. Quiet and even heating with convection technology. 1 reason not to buy. Not suitable for large or open spaces. Conclusion. The Rinnai Ventless natural gas heater is a reliable, efficient, and safe heating solution for indoor spaces. Its smart control features, comprehensive safety mechanisms, and ease of installation make it a top choice for homeowners seeking effective heating during the colder months. With its versatile application and child-safe design, this heater is a valuable addition to any indoor environment. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.